Kasi for me, mas importante kasi alam niya eh, you know, instead of her staying inside the house. So can you please explain to me her condition right now? Okay, but can I take a video of you? Is it okay?
Video? Or akala ko ba voice?
Ako sige voice. Okay, okay voice. Or even, ito, kahit explain na lang natin to. What's going on here?
Yeah,
Or even this one.
so CP, nagkakaroon na siya ng like refractive.
For me, she deserves to know kasi talaga eh. Alam mo yun, kung pwede lang. Pull out ko siya sa PBB, alam mo yun. Kasi alam ko mas importante to sa kanya eh. Kasi sa kung anong career na gusto niya abutin doon. Doc, help me pray for her, please. Kasi if, other medications won't work, then we can just pray for her and, miracles naman, di ba? Kaya,